Hi everyone, welcome back to Napu channel. Today I'm going to show you one of our Agarwood chips, which has very reasonable price, but the quality is not inferior to any luxury products. As you can see in the video, this type of wood chips is different from the higher-end products with lighter colors and lower essential oil content. However, the scent quality is still very good. We can see the pieces are lighter in colors and the amount of essential oil is not as much as luxury one. In a close-up view, the wood chips are quite thin because they have been cleaned carefully. However, it is a low-price product, so the essential oil content is moderate, resulting in a brighter color. And now we are going to burn it to see how the oil content and scent quality are. The amount of oil that comes out from the surface is much less than the special wood chips. The scent is still sweet, but slightly lighter. Although the amount of oil is less than the special wood chips, the fragrance quality is still very good. And with that reasonable price, I think that is an extremely quality product. If you are looking for a product that is not too expensive but still give a good scent, you can try this right away. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has provided you with useful and trustful information about one of our Agarwood chips. If you have any questions regarding the product, please contact us via our website www.napuoud.com or our WhatsApp phone number below. Goodbye and see you in the next video.